Today on into a beginning of a new era series coming up next. Welcome to the first ever race of this series. And the lawnmower Indycar tonight. Oh, I made a lower series, and those races will be premiering at like 9 p.m. the same time as an SRX race. Hey, hello. Let's see today. Here we go. The green flags in the air underway, and we can already see crashes happening early on. And more crashes, big crashes. Yeah, 3 cars already out on the first lap. Didn't even make it through. I'm in first. I don't know what position I am right now, but we'll be right back. And we gotta spin. I'll come back. And like I said before, we have a car around. Mower, sorry. And we just had some more big wrecks. Just like Fox, I missed it. You can see that there's more crashing. We have a lower division that allows like L50 or like the Indycar NXTs. These will allow like 8. The Indycar Pro Series will allow at least 8 mowers per race. Maybe right. Could just correct me if I'm wrong. As they're running right now, that's me. I'm in second, and what I even hit? I forgot what I hit. Brute force right there. What am I even on? Per 1 race per 8 mil per minute. 8 car. Got some spinners. Yeah. And the racing. Where's even gonna go? I'm like, they're just rolling down the track. And we still have cars equally as many laps as a lower as an Indycar Pro race. That is like this our tick. What is even going on ticker? Oh my gosh. What happened? Click on that. They'll show us all the we got a spinner up in turn 2. We got a car up in no. I think they're out. Oh, no. The mower, sorry. As we have my name will be go. We got you kidding me? Wait. Come on. Worked earlier this race. Oh, I am in it. Sorry on live TV, but it wasn't 500. There. No. That's our ticker. As we run right now. I'm in the lead and no, oh come on. Oh yeah, I'm in the lead permanent. I'm permanently whatever it means. Ugly kid wins the day. Hey, until we meet again, we'll see you next week. This was an interesting day for racing.